Well, hello, good people. Mark Holmes here, and as always, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Boy, have I just had two totally different experiences. So, I'm a general contractor. I do construction, of course. I do YouTube too. I'm of course hot, sweaty, covered with, wearing paint stained shirts and things like that, dirt underneath my fingernails and things like that, right? And I get it. People sometimes look at you and it's like, you know what? I don't care. We don't really care. So I'm doing this pagoda, and today we had to get a ton and a half of gravel, stone dust. We unloaded that and put it down, compacted it. Went to Lowe's, bought 25 bags of paver sand along with 25 pavers that are 24 by 16. They're very heavy. And got all this stuff tamped down and everything else. Used the 20 pavers I got. I needed 25 more to get it done, and they're quite heavy, so I did, breaking it down. So I go back to Lowe's. To get 25 more of these pavers, and it's just me. I'm a 60-year-old man. And I go there and I ask the lady at the garden department, hey, is there any way I could get somebody with a forklift to just bring a pallet out to load it up? And she says, well, they haven't been answering. Okay, well, each one of these pavers are like, $8 a piece. It's still money that I'm spending. Okay. I go back there. There's a guy with a forklift. And I say, hey, I'm buying all of these stones. Is there any way you can take the forklift and help me out here with this? That way I don't have to put them on a couple of carts and get them out there, because you can only put about 10 on the cart. After 10, you can't pull it down the highway, the road, okay? I literally just got an injection in my knee on Monday, the second one. And they say, don't do anything for a week. And here it is. I'm getting carts full of paver stones and having to carry them from the back of the store to the front and load them up. Ask the guy for it. I'm kind of busy now. Come back in about an hour. Okay. I go through and I say, I ended up getting 3 carts. Got 10 on 2 and 5 on 1 and a couple more bags of sand. And I'm pulling cart one by one to the front of the store. I asked the cashier, lady, I said, hey, is there anybody out there that can help load? We have one guy, but I think he's helping somebody else. Okay. Needless to say, I've got it all loaded up. I was going to go down to the other end of the store to get the rebar for the concrete slab that I need to pour at the red brick house. And I said, you know what? I don't feel like dealing with them at Lowe's right now anymore. I'm going to go to Home Depot. I go to Home Depot and I need 10 sheets of the rebar. Go back there in the cement aisle and I grab about 4 pieces and I pull it out. All of a sudden it starts moving. It's an employee there. His name is Adam. Shout out to Adam. Adam said, let me help you with that. After the experience I just had, wow. Okay. Adam helped me put them on there, and he said, I think you're the guy with the red brick. Yeah, I am. That's me and everything else. He said, man, I love the work that you did on that and stuff. If you ever need any help, my name is Adam. Just let him know at the front desk that you need help loading up your car. Thank you. So I go to pay for this, cashier. She looks at me and she says, "Man, I can tell you've been working." She said, "Let me give you a bottle of cold water." What? I literally can't believe I went to Lowe's, asked for help, come back in an hour. We don't have anybody. You couldn't call somebody maybe from another department to say, here's a 60-year-old man who might have a freaking heart attack who could use some help loading his shit up. Well, we only have one guy. There's nobody else in the store that could help me? There's nobody. There's nobody. You saw my old ass go past you with 3 carts from the front, outside, grab a cart, walk past you, load up, bring it to the front, go outside, get another cart, go past you, get another cart, set it there by the register, go outside again, get another cart, go all the way back, load it up, and carry it, have 3 carts right there at your register. In the meantime, you couldn't say, maybe I need to call a store manager to help this guy who's got multiple carts of shit that he's buying. It's called customer service. You just lost out because that's $250 worth of rebar. $250 worth of rebar I was gonna buy at your store. But because you treated me like, oh, we ain't got nobody. You can't try and find somebody? You can't try and find somebody? You can't try and find somebody. My money's not good enough to say, hey, let me see if I can get somebody to help him. Come on, man. Come on. If the customer hadn't picked up the pavers out from there, I would have just said, screw y'all, and just dumped them all right there. Come on, man. That don't make no sense. You know what? Home Depot, shout out to you guys. Shout out to you. I appreciate you treating me like a human being and that my business actually matters. Lowe's, you got to do better than that, bro. You got to do better than that. This is ridiculous. Have a nice day, people.